quite a while, I have quite a few under my belt. And you know, in the rapping industry, in the rapping world, you never stop learning. And today just solidified that for me, and I think a lot of other experienced, high-quality installers. You know, there are these little things that we can do to just better perfect our overall quality, and go from there. You know.
Training course was great. Jose and Michael did an excellent job showcasing the unique abilities that Inozetek has, and really teaching us how to work with the film's technology. So it was a great experience.
I think it's important to understand each brand because they're all different in their own way, and I didn't even know half the stuff that I learned today. So.
The people, the instructors, they do teach you every single thing. Everything is hands-on. You do learn it. You don't leave the class without touching a film. That's one of the perks of attending this class.